Hey foodies, welcome back to Cooking Glandier. Today, we're diving into the creamy, dreamy world of mascarpone cheese. Did you know this Italian gem originated in the Lombardy region way back in the late 16th century? Its name is thought to come from the local dialect word for ricotta, mascarpone, but unlike ricotta, mascarpone is made from cream, giving it that rich, buttery texture we all love. It's the star of tiramisu, but today, we're going to show you 5 amazing cold and spreadable appetizers that will wow your guests. Before we get started, if you love discovering delicious recipes, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Cooking Glandier. Let's get cooking. First up, a classic with a twist, smoked salmon and mascarpone dip. It's elegant, easy, and absolutely irresistible. For this recipe, you'll need 250 grams or about 9 ounces of mascarpone cheese, 150 grams or 5 ounces of smoked salmon finely chopped, the juice of half a lemon, a tablespoon of fresh dill chopped, and 2 tablespoons of finely chopped red onion. Don't worry about writing them down. We'll leave them in the video description along with those for the other recipes. For the preparation, simply combine the mascarpone, chopped salmon, lemon juice, dill, and red onion in a bowl. Mix everything gently until it's well combined, but still has some texture from the salmon chunks. For the presentation, serve this glorious dip in a beautiful bowl, garnished with a sprig of dill and a lemon wedge. It's perfect for spreading on toasted baguette slices, rye bread, or your favorite crackers. A little tip, for an extra kick, you can add a teaspoon of capers or a pinch of black pepper. Make sure your mascarpone is at room temperature for easier mixing. Next on our list is a light and airy mascarpone and fresh herb mousse. This one is incredibly fresh and versatile. You'll need 250 grams or about 9 ounces of mascarpone, a generous handful of fresh basil leaves, another handful of fresh parsley, the juice and zest of 1 lemon, and 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Also, have some salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. To prepare it, put the mascarpone, basil, parsley, lemon juice and zest, and olive oil into a food processor. Blend until the mixture is smooth, creamy, and has a lovely light green color. Season with salt and pepper and give it one last pulse. For presentation, spoon the mousse into a serving dish and create a little swirl on top with the back of a spoon. Drizzle a little more olive oil over it and add some extra lemon zest. This mousse is fantastic with rustic country bread, crunchy breadsticks, or a colorful platter of crudites like carrots, celery, and bell peppers. A tip for you, toast some pine nuts and sprinkle them on top for a delightful crunch and nutty flavor. Our third recipe is a party favorite, ham rolls with mascarpone and spinach. These little bites are as pretty as they are tasty. For this, grab 10 to 12 thin slices of cooked ham, 200 grams or 7 ounces of mascarpone, 100 grams or about 3.5 ounces of fresh spinach, wilted and squeezed dry, and a pinch of grated nutmeg. Don't forget salt and pepper. First, finely chop the wilted and dried spinach. In a bowl, mix the mascarpone with the chopped spinach, nutmeg, salt, and pepper until you have a uniform cream. Now, lay a slice of ham flat and spread a thin layer of the mascarpone mixture all over it. Carefully roll the ham slice up tightly and cut it. Repeat with the remaining ham and filling. To present these, wrap the rolls in plastic wrap and chill them in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. This helps them firm up. Once chilled, unwrap and slice them into 2 cm or about 3/4 inch thick pinwheels. Arrange them on a platter for a stunning and delicious appetizer. A pro tip, You can add a tablespoon of grated Parmesan cheese to the filling for an extra savory note. Moving on to number 4, we have some refreshing cucumber canapés with mascarpone and dill. These are light, healthy, and perfect for a summer gathering. You will need 1 large English cucumber, 150 grams or 5 ounces of mascarpone, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped fresh dill, the juice of half a lemon, and a little salt and pepper. For an extra touch, you can use a few small pieces of smoked salmon for garnish. The preparation is super simple. First, wash the cucumber and slice it into 1 centimeter or just under ½ inch thick rounds. In a small bowl, mix the mascarpone, chopped dill, and lemon juice. Season with a pinch of salt and pepper. Now for the presentation. Pat the cucumber slices dry with a paper towel. Using a spoon or a piping bag, place a small dollop of the mascarpone mixture on top of each cucumber slice. Garnish with an extra tiny sprig of dill or a small piece of smoked salmon. Arrange them neatly on a serving plate, and you're done. A handy tip: to make them look even fancier, you can use a vegetable peeler to create stripes along the cucumber before slicing it. Last but certainly not least, we have an elegant avocado and mascarpone tartare with shrimp. This is a showstopper appetizer that's surprisingly easy to make. You'll need to ripe avocados, 150 grams or 5 ounces of mascarpone, the juice of 1 lime, 200 grams or 7 ounces of cooked and peeled shrimp, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 clove of garlic minced, and a pinch of red pepper flakes. Start by preparing the layers. For the first layer, mash the avocados with the juice of half a lime, salt, and pepper. For the second layer, mix the mascarpone with the juice of the other half of the lime and a little salt. For the third layer, briefly saute the cooked shrimp in a pan with olive oil, minced garlic, and red pepper flakes for just a minute until fragrant. Let them cool. For the presentation, you'll want to use a cooking ring or a small glass. Start with a layer of the mashed avocado at the bottom. Add a layer of the lime mascarpone on top. Finally, top it all off with the garlic shrimp. Carefully remove the cooking ring and garnish with a sprig of cilantro or parsley. Our final tip: make sure your avocados are perfectly ripe but still firm enough to hold their shape. This dish is best served immediately to keep the avocado from browning. And there you have it. 5 incredibly delicious and easy cold appetizers using mascarpone cheese. From a creamy salmon dip to an elegant shrimp tartare, there's something here for every occasion. I hope you feel inspired to try these recipes at your next get-together. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. If you want more recipes and cooking news, visit cookingglandia.com. Thanks for watching Cooking Glandier. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new recipe. See you next time.